So, okay, so it's Steven Spector and Rafael Knuth with Chris Kemp here from Nebula. How are you doing, Chris?
Doing great. Yeah, we're super excited to be here at OpenStack. We've got our product out, and it's been an amazing conference. Just thousands of users are here for the first time. So, what a difference! Yeah.
Tell us about Nebula One.
Nebula One is a cloud computer. It's the world's first computer systems company to ship a new computer in a long time, and it's a computer designed for this era of cloud computing, where workloads are spread across hundreds or thousands of systems, where it doesn't matter what kind of server infrastructure you're running on. So we allow you to take an IBM server, a Dell server, an HP server, or all three. You can plug a rack of them into our device, and then you can start adding racks to this system, and you've got petabytes of storage and thousands of compute cores as one single logical computer system that thousands of people in an enterprise can all share as part of a giant shared private cloud resource.
What are the use cases where Nebula One shines?
Yeah, I mean, my favorite is when I see our customers deploy the system, people can request accounts, and then they get a sandbox of resources. So, as an employee of a biotech company or a financial services company, often I'm dealing with huge problems that have massive data sets associated with. So, when I get my little MacBook or my ThinkPad, I only have 16 gigs of memory and a terabyte or two of hard disk storage space. That's just nothing, right? So, if I have a Nebula system, you can get an account that maybe has 100 terabytes of storage and 100 or 1,000 compute cores, and so that gives me my cloud computer, and I can then start prototyping things and building things. It's my own little sandbox, and then at larger scale, you can give entire teams resources like this. But we've got biotech companies doing gene sequencing. We've got Xerox PARC, one of our flagship customers, powering their labs and their research with the system. And there's pretty much every industry has some big data thing they're struggling with, and we're a great platform to run that stuff.
Okay. It's the last day of the OpenStack Summit.
Yep.
What are your key takeaways, Chris?
Well, we've been busy at the booth all morning, so my key takeaways are we're seeing many more customers here. OpenStack, I think, has tipped, and I think everybody's just trying to figure out how to buy it and how to get it up and running and how to start. We've seen the last 2 years focus on building clouds, and I think the next 2 years we're going to start seeing focus on using clouds and the applications that are running on clouds. I've seen almost every platform as a service company talking to us and just talking about what we do on top of infrastructure as a service. And I think that, to me, that's a signal that OpenStack is a solid foundation. Obviously, we've got VMware here this year. We've got HP, and we've got Dell. We've got Ubuntu. If I look at the companies, IBM, obviously, big presence here. Things have tipped. We've got a lot of excitement, and there's a lot of real customers, talking about really big things they're doing on top of OpenStack.
Okay, thank you very much, Chris.
Thank you.